Hello everyone! Welcome back to Handy Wonders. Today we will make a cute, simple heart-shaped earrings. Take wool of your fav color and make a magic ring.
Everything that happens is motivation.
Now into magic ring, make 2 double crochet.
Everything that happens is motivation.
Next, 2 half double crochet.
The work of motivation, the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation.
1 single crochet. 2 half double crochet.
Everything that happens is motivation.
2 double crochet.
I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation.
And finally, slip stitch into the magic ring. Now tighten the magic ring to get a heart shape. Make a 3 chain and slip stitch back into same to make a loop to hold the hook.
Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation.
Now add the loop ring into the loop created and attach an earrings hook to it.
I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man.
Follow the same process to make another earrings.
Everything that happens is motivation.
And there go, we have our cute, simple, heart-shaped crochet earrings. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.